Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to delete multiple rows in Excel without scrolling. Okay, let's begin. Example: I delete the cells to 27. Okay, E or F. F type F27. Hold Shift Enter. Now see this automatically selected 27 cells. Press delete or right click mouse delete cell shift up. Okay. Again I select 214. Okay. I select this cells A9 F or E. I delete D. Okay. Type D 200 sorry 214. Hold shift press enter. Now see this automatically selected 214. Press delete. Right click mouse. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.